Check out this Ram 2019 2500 Laramie. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift knob, spray and bed liner, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, monotone paint included, headlamp filler panels and door handles are black when ordering special low-volume paints. Wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches painted aluminum with chrome inserts included. Tires LT285/60R20 EOWL on off-road. Engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included. Selective catalytic reduction, urea, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries. Cummins turbo diesel badge heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater. Ram active air 220 amp alternator tow hooks. Diesel exhaust brake front bumpers.